guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video today I have a mixture of stuff from Shein and Amazon. So the first thing I got was these buffing blocks. You might have seen me I got these before even, and they're really good grit. So yeah, I thought I'd pick up another packet of these. So you get, I think, 10 in a packet, I believe. Then I also got some more of these storage things. I remember buying these before as well. I ended up buying 2 more little ones, and then I also bought like a bigger one, which you'll see in just a moment. And I thought like they'd be really handy for like gems and sequins and stuff like that. And also I might even use one for makeup and test something, so I wanted to see if it would dry out or not. But these are really affordable as well. I'll link everything in the description below. So yeah, I got 2 of them, and then this one is a bigger one, which is basically a double in one sort of thing. So I thought I'd pick up this one as well, because you can never have too much storage for gems and sequins and glittery things and stuff like that. So I'm just showing you what this looks like. Then I got another one of these wallets. Last time I got one of these was a bit smaller. They've done a bigger one that had more sections in it, and they come in some of these bags, little baggy things as well. I'm not sure how many of the bags that came with it, I can't remember. But I thought they'd be handy for foils and stuff. And you'll see what I use this for later, and it's good that it like sort of clips closed and that, like I said, it's got 4 on each thing, double-sided, and they insert at the top. So it's really handy to have for nail stuff. And we'll sort that out later. I also got some stickers. These were from Amazon. These are some Halloween stickers. And during the day they look white, and then they glow in the dark, which I'll show you in just a second. Just zoom in for you first. So this is them glowing. Do turn the light down even darker and show you how bright they can get once like you put them under UV, or they've been out in the sun, or you have an LED UV torch. Like how cool they are and how effective they'll be on some nails. So here is what they would look like when they've come out of a UV lamp or been under sunlight. Like this one you can see is faded because it hasn't had enough light. Then I put it under that light and boom. How amazing do they look? And I'm just demonstrating that you can brighten them up with one of those torches as well. I think they're really cool and effective, and I can't wait to use them. Then I also got a packet of these colourful stickers as well. So we got some ones with Dracula sort of face mouse on it. Then we got this one I have had a glow in the dark, which is similar. But this one, like, just showing you that they're similar. Obviously, but this one doesn't glow in the dark. And then we got some more spider webs and witches and stuff. And some more pumpkins and skeletons and stuff. And then this one's quite cool because like got bats and stuff on it, and it says Happy Halloween and Trick or Treat, and some dancing skeletons and spiders. Sort of cartoony, very cute. Oh, cool. And these little purple spiders. And then we've got this one that has like some faces on it. That'd be cool on like nail. When I do like pumpkin nail, you can put one of those faces on it, which would look really effective. Again, some more vampire teeth and things that say Happy Halloween. Then this one's very cartoonic. And then we have this one that has some funky, just like moons and stars on it. Again, with some spiders and more pumpkins and ghosts and cats. And then this one again is very cartoonic. You get some purple sort of bats, and you got some flying broomsticks and wands and witches' hats and stuff. And some sweets. Then we have this one. Then I also got some of these gems. I thought they're really cute, but like effective. So we got some spiders, some skeleton hands, and some skulls. So you get gold and silver of each one. And I thought that you still want them to look blingy and pretty, but Halloweeny, then these are for you. I thought they was really cool, very sparkly. Then I got some foils, and I did see some foils on some websites. They were selling like packs of 10 for £10, but I think I got all three of these for about £8.99 or something like that. And they stood out to me the most. So I got them in a pack of 30. So I'm just going to quickly run through these. So these are like all scully, punky sort of ones with pirates and stuff like that. Some of them remind me of like, these like black and silver, but with a clear background. So go on like any nail sort of thing. Kind of gothic, these ones as well. And then we have these ones which have a clear background again, but these are more colourful, sort of cartoonic, sort of. And then there's these ones. Then we have the ones with Frankenstein and some more pumpkins. Obviously you can see a lot of pumpkins. These ones are pretty cool, the colours. I like the one with the moon there, the bats and that. And a bucket of sweets. Then we have this one, which is a bit more like carnival-y, sort of Halloween-y. But really cool with the masks and that. And I will, hello. Then we have this one, and if you're not into Halloween as much, but you still wanted something florally, you had that one with the skulls and the flowers. Then we had this one, which has got loads of like candy and eyeballs. Then these ones are these sort of cartoonic skeletons and stuff. But I do like that moon with the stars that could be used other than Halloween. Again, another one with more pumpkins. And then there's this one, which has this sort of background colour. So use a similar colour gel if you're going to use this one. Then there's this one, which sort of has the sort of jack-o'-lantern sort of faces on it. Then we have this one. Again, full colour one. And then this one I like, quite vibrant but cartoonic. Is that even a word? Then we have this one, which is very like sort of fall Halloween. Then we have this one that has Dracula and all that stuff. Then this one reminds me of that movie. I can't think of what it's called, but is it like the Death Day thing? You can see what I mean if you know what I'm talking about. Then we have this one. Another one, sort of skulls and flowers, if you're not fully into the whole Halloween thing, but just like a little bit. And this one I really love as well, because it's pink, so you can have a girly Halloween nails if you want to. And then I've got some of these sequins, and I wasn't going to separate some of these sequins, but then I changed my mind, which you'll see in just a moment. did sit there for hours, literally, picking out all the bigger pieces, because it's like I couldn't really tell what was in them until I sorted them out, and then like what's left behind is sort of just stars and stuff. But I didn't get rid of them because they're still pretty colours. Very nice. And I'm just going to show you what I've done with the bigger pieces that were in here. So I did sort them out. So them gems I showed you earlier are now in here. The skulls and the spiders and that. And some of those sequin had big spider things and big pumpkins and other skulls and moustaches and cats and witches and stuff like that. So I put them all into these ones, into these pots even. And then in this folder I decided to reorganize. I took out all these decals that I recently got and sorted out the extra foils that I had from before, and decided to use some of the bags and double up the foils side by side so you could see them, because I didn't want to keep them in those plastic pots that they came in, like the ones I just bought, because I thought it took up too much room. So you see what I'm doing now, and I put similar colours together, or similar designs together, as you will see, like this one here. I put them in because they're bigger bags, they go like that, and you can see which ones they are, and these are the ones I kept when I organised some before. I'm just going to speed this up here and let you watch what I do. These two weren't exactly the same, but they were floral, so that's the only two that I could match together. And then we had the designer one and an animal print one. And there was a page left if I had any spare like that, if I come across any or buy any. So that's all of them, that one's sorted. I also put those Halloween stickers and glow-in-the-dark ones in there too. Now for the bigger one I just bought, I'm going to put them in here. Some of them are like more coverage netting sort of ones, or some of them are like more like separate, like sort of, how do you put it, like seen around the edge, is that the right word? You know what I mean. Like with these ones more full coverage, and you'll see what the other ones look like, and they all go back to back. See what I mean? Like some of them are in lines. I separated them and done them like that, and there were still plenty of pages left. Very cool, so I can actually see them properly now. And these are decals, by the way. I'll probably end up labelling this later on. I'm just going to place that aside. And now for the foils. Just putting this one back. You might have remembered this before in another video when I've done some organisation. So these are my foils that I have currently. And so what I decided to do was decided to remove the angel paper and put them at the back. Not at the back, but a few pages along. And then sort out all the Halloween ones, because I do want to keep these plastic boxes. And I used the bags that come with that other folder and put the Halloween ones into them. But I didn't have enough, so I ended up buying more of the bags that are more similar to the ones I already had in here from Amazon to put the rest into, but I was managed to do 2 of the boxes. So I'm just speeding this up here so you can see I'm just placing them into the folder from like full coverage to floral-ish one and the see-through clear background one. And then I'm going to insert a clip of the rest of them once I receive the bags, as you'll see now. And also putting angel paper where they will go. So I'm just showing you through the folder again now. I've received the bags for the rest of the foils, and here they are, all in there lovely. And I'll link everything in the description below where I got the bags from and that, and this folder if you're interested in buying it also. So thanks for watching my video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.